By now, your sales team should be enjoying how easy it is to use Synchrony Transact. Once a job is completed, the only thing left to do is get paid. And it's never been easier. With the simple click of a button, you can submit the transaction to Synchrony Bank for funding, and you'll gain valuable time back in your day. First, you'll need to access your Business Center account by visiting bc.syf.com and logging in. If it's your first time here, you can easily register for an account with your merchant ID. To submit a transaction for funding, you'll also need to ensure you have the approved permissions to do so. If you have questions regarding your permissions for funding in Business Center, contact your company's Business Center admin. Once you're logged in, hover over Management Tools and choose Transaction Status from the drop-down menu. There may be more than one program available. If so, select the one you want. You'll see a list of transactions along with a process bar that shows if the sales slip has been signed and whether the transaction has been submitted for funding. Note the completion document is not required. On this page, you can also click the links to review the signed sales slip. To finalize the sale and submit for funding, simply click the blue Send to SYF link. Once you've submitted the transaction for funding, the button will turn green and will say Sent to SYF. Now, what happens if you don't see the sale that you'd like to send for funding? At the top of the page, click Edit Search and change the details to search by program, date, customer name, or other parameters. You can also search by the last 4 digits of the customer account number, sales slip status, and employee ID to complete or update the search. If you are a larger organization, you can quickly manage your sales slip pipeline by organizing them within one of these 3 categories. Send to customer. These are sales slips that have been created but have not yet been sent to the customer. Sent to customer. These sales slips have been sent to the customer but still need the customer's signature for consent. And signed. These are your sales slips that have been signed but are waiting for the project to be completed. Also, remember that you'll need to allow 24 to 48 hours for funding to appear on your daily funding report after you submit a transaction. To check on the status of a sale, hover over Management Tools and select Daily Funding Report. On the next screen, choose your program and date range to generate a report. This page can be printed or downloaded to Excel for your records. To learn more or view other videos in this series, visit toolbox.syf.com. Visit bcpos.mysynchrony.com and select Learn More. Contact your sales rep by visiting toolbox.syf.com/salesmap.